Okay, this video is meant to just remind you about how to access your files that are on the M drive in case it was a little confusing. Remember, we talk about how there's a single M drive that's your web space, and you can access it by multiple pathways. So you can see here I'm in my ASU. The main thing you look for is my files, and if you click on that, then you come over into here. Let's say this shows my what's inside my GLG 410 directory. Here's all the stuff in my main home directory. So this is the one that I've made one level down that has the information for the class. Now, also you should remember from my my ASU the link, you can also get to my apps, and from there we can launch the MATLAB. Okay, so when you come over to MATLAB and you've launched it, you want to make sure if you get a dialog that asks about allowing access that you permit it, and it depends on the browser, it'll depend on what it says, but you want to allow full access, so that allows the communication to go back and forth. When you first come into MATLAB, it shows that the current folder is this C program files MATLAB bar 2010B, and it's important to realize that that's on the remote server that's actually running the MATLAB. And so if you click on this little button with the three dots, you can see your choices of all the locations where you might be able to run things. Here it is. This is the online application is attempting to access files on my computer, and I want to say permit all access. Now, so in here you can see there's in my computer there's a local disk C, so that's on the server. There's this $, is a client. This is the M drive, that's the network drive where we're talking about in this case, where my files are. And then there's a D and a C, which are the drives on my local machine here that I'm working. So it's really important to be aware of the differences there. But let's just click on this M, and so you can see where things are, including there's that GLG 410 where I've been working for our class. So I'm going to say OK. And then if you look on the left, then the current folder shows the various files that we've been working on. You may also type LS, which just stands for list contents, and you see another view of that. And if you want to really check, you can say PWD, and that says print working directory. And so you can see M GLG 410. So I'm in the M drive, one directory down, in my place where I'm doing my MATLAB work.